Okay, we just finished up with getting started. We went through all the different portions of Blackboard, and now we're down at what's next. And so one thing is to maybe do an introduction of yourself on Blackboard or on the discussion board if you feel so inclined. But we're also now needing to move on to the ebb and flow of lecture below. And so here we have our ebb and flow. Basically just talking about how lecture is going to go, assignments, things of that nature. So what we have to understand is there's a color code operation with the assignments. So we have blue headings, which are video lectures. We have red headings, which are practice homework. And then we have purple headings, which are homework videos. So the video lectures are going to be part of the assignments, right? That's going to give you the main idea, the concepts, as well as sample calculations, as well as music videos. We then, after each one of the lecture segments, have practice homework in red. Again, I can't stress that enough. The practice homework, while it is not graded, it is the meat and potatoes or broccoli and seitan of the course. Very important. And then if you're needing help with that practice homework, not only could you go back to the video lectures, but then in purple we have homework videos where I've done some demonstrations of different problems, basically working through problems, really kind of like little mini lectures, if you will, kind of showing that. And so just to highlight that in an example, if we go to that left navigation pane under assignments, right, we could go to maybe module 1 here as an example, just something different. And here is what we find within that assignment. We have learning objectives, which are telling us what we're going to be learning. And then we have the assignment, right? Notice that in blue we have the lectures, right? These are the video lectures, and then the corresponding chapter and sections that the video lecture goes with. Then below that video lecture, we have in red practice homework. Again, really important. Make sure that we have good understanding. We have to work these problems. And then if we're having maybe some difficulty with the homework, we have in purple there a link to some homework video. In this case, law of definite proportions. And so with each topic, I try to do that. Give you a video, give you practice homework, as well as then helpful homework problem examples to help in that process, as well as then music, right? Music's nice to relax to and get ready for doing something with. So always maybe listening to some music, getting some coffee, doing a stretch helps to continue that learning process. And then at the very bottom, we would always find in the last section in red there, hard problems that are much more difficult, really proving or testing your abilities and bringing more than one concept together within the chapter. We like to get to that level. That's the level that we want to get to. And at the very bottom corner, we then have the lecture notes. So even though we have all these videos, right, I also then do like a transcript of the videos in terms of the actual lecture notes, so you can link into that directly. So that's the assignment idea in terms of how it's broken down in terms of blue video link, red practice homework, and then purple help options. So scrolling back to where we were at, basically what's going to happen is after each class or basically before our next class, I'm going to give you an assignment, right? This assignment is going to be posted in the announcements page. You'll get an email about it. And then the next day in class, or maybe it's over a weekend, but that next class that we have, we will then go over those problems that were assigned. Now, class time is really question and answer, so I really want you students coming with questions to ask, right? I'm not preparing a lecture. I'm just saying that, okay, here's our assignment. You guys should have watched the video. You should have done the practice homework. Maybe during the practice homework you got a little bit confused, and now we can use class time as a way to focus on questions, like questions that you have, whether it be about the lecture itself, maybe a concept, or whether the questions are much more specific as far as a homework problem or what have you, right? Our scheduled times will be Tuesday and Thursday in the afternoon, and we'll be using Microsoft Teams for those conversations. Not only will I post video of those classes that we have, I will also post transcripts of those classes as well within the course materials of Blackboard. So that's pretty much the ebb and flow of lecture. I'm relying on you, the student, to do your homework, watching the video lectures, applying it to the practice homework, and then using class time as a way for us to really discuss and really go into, more of your questions, so that it's going to really help us develop a very strong, a very strong background, or a foundation rather, in general chemistry. That is the ebb and flow of our lecture.